In this example we will see how much time Arduino will take to do a small arithmetic operation in integer and floating variables. First we will take integer variables and we will calculate the time using millis function in Arduino. We will do the arithmetic operation for 1000 iterations. We will record the time before and after the iterations and print it using Serial.println. Let's upload the code to an Arduino Uno. It took about 13 milliseconds. Now we'll add a serial print and see the time it takes. Anyway, it takes a longer period of time for serial communication compared to the arithmetic operation. This time also depends on the baud rate and the number of characters been sent. As you can see, Serial.println delays the program execution in a considerable amount. Therefore it is really important to be careful in using serial prints in time-sensitive applications. However, you can improve this by changing the baud rate if need. It took 4,376 milliseconds to do the arithmetic operation and print. Now let's go back to the source code and make all the integer variables into float variables. It is important to declare floating variables with decimal points. In ADMEGA-based Arduino boards, float and double are all the same. However, in some advanced boards like Arduino, double takes up twice the memory and gives higher precision. Normally when we do a print in Arduino, float variables will only display up to 2 decimal points only. In the description, I will put the syntax to show how to print the more than 2 decimal points in float variables. Now let's remove the serial.println and see how much it take time to do an equivalent arithmetic operation in float variables. Oh, I forgot to remove the serial.println. Let's see the output. It takes 36 milliseconds to do the arithmetic operation in float variables. Remember, it took only 13 milliseconds in integer variables. Now let's see how it responds with Serial.println also. As I explained earlier, it must take more time as the number of characters are increased now. (7,496 milliseconds). So I believe you got an idea about the time consumption of arithmetic operations in integer and float variables and also serial printing. See you later.